This is DJI Air 3 and today I'll show how you can change and customize the FN button function or button control on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app, then here press those three dots to launch settings. Next go into control section, scroll down, look for the button customization section. In here, you can assign whatever you want for this button to do for a single press or double press. So let's assign some easy to check action. For example, single press is going to be responsible for camera increase exposure and double press will be responsible for, let's say, well, decrease exposure. Now let's get back into the camera view to check if it works. So one press, as you can clearly see, increases the exposure, and double press should decrease it. Yep, so the camera view becomes dimmer. And by, well, single press, I am increasing the exposure value. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.